Maintenance trucks were out salting and brining the roads across the lower mainland and Vancouver Island as another snowstorm is set to hit southern BC on Tuesday night. Snowfall and winter storm warnings are in place across the bottom half of the province, according to Environment Canada. Beginning Tuesday evening and lasting into Wednesday afternoon, the storm is expected to bring 10 to 20 centimeters of snow across the southern BC mainland and about 10 centimeters on Vancouver Island. Darren L., General Manager of Main Road Lower Mainland Contracting, which maintains the region's highways, said his team has been watching the forecast closely to prepare for the upcoming storm. Officials at the airport said teams are actively clearing snow and ice from runways and taxiways and operating the de-icing facilities, but there will be fewer flights able to arrive and depart due to the conditions. As of 12 p.m. Wednesday, IVR received around 20 centimeters of snow accumulation on the airfield, and teams are clearing north, south, and crosswind runways, equal to almost 9 kilometers in length.